Hey everybody, so this is supposed to be a tie-dye reveal, but it's not quite. We tried to do a tie-dye reveal for these shirts and the mic wasn't working, so this is going to be a little different, but it is a couple of new designs. They're not really super new, but they're different. So I have two right now to show you. I have an eyeball that I've done before, but this one is got different colors in it. So this one is another eyeball shirt. Turned out really good. I used red and black and blue, left some white in it. And then this one I haven't done before. This is the V pattern that I had. So that one is turquoise, yellow, and black with a little bit of white in it. Alright everybody, so I have two more shirts. So you guys seen the fish scales. I call them fish scales because they're blue and green, so they look kind of like fish. I am calling this one mermaid scales because the colors are, you know, more of a mermaid, I guess. So that's just like the fish scales, just pink and purple. And then I did another mandala, and I'm really excited about this one because this one's got really pretty colors in it, and it's different. So this is my other mandala. And I'll show you the back of the shirt too. So really pretty colors, big mandala on the front. So the next video we'll be doing, hopefully, is an actual tie-dye reveal with sound so that you guys can hear me. Last time, like I said, the mic wasn't working, so we couldn't even use it. So next time you'll get to see me unravel everything. Alright, please like, comment if you want. If you're at our YouTube, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Share it on Facebook so everybody else can see it. And thank you.